My name is Paul Maurerman, and I'm the director of the Sandia Mountain Natural History Center, which is the environmental education center that's run by the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science. Today's activity is going to be identifying some trees. People are often intimidated by identifying trees, but we're going to show you a couple quick, simple tools that you can use to go out and identify trees and make it a fun family activity. Let's go ahead and get started.
The dichotomous key may sound complicated, but it's really not. Scientists all over the world use them to help them identify whatever it is they're studying. Dichotomous just means a choice between two different things. So it could be yes-no questions, true or false, or it could be deciding whether a tree has needles or leaves. It's really just that simple. Choosing between two different things and then working your way down through the key, and that's how scientists are able to identify whatever it is that they're studying.
Let's go ahead and do one together to help us better understand how the dichotomous key works. So we're going to walk up to the plant that we want to identify, in this case this green leafy plant here, and we're just going to start answering the questions. Number one asks us if this tree has needles or scales, or whether or not it has leaves. Well, ours clearly has leaves. So if it has leaves, it sends us all the way down to question number 8. If the leaves are really wavy, and in this case we can see these waves, we call these lobes. All right, so this tree has really wavy leaves. If this tree has really wavy leaves, it's an oak. Our other choice is if these leaves are small and oval, then this is a mountain mahogany. Well, these are not small and oval. So in this case, this is an oak. And we don't differentiate on our dichotomous key much further than that, but in this case, this is a gamble oak. Learning the trees can be intimidating because a lot of people think you have to memorize them, but that's not really the case. If you know what habitat you're in, you know what kind of trees are generally going to live there, and then you can work off of that. And using these dichotomous keys will really help you work through the process. There are also some apps on your phone now that you can use. One I like to use is called Seek. It's part of the iNaturalist platform. It'll help identify plants for you. So identifying plants is a fun way to not just learn about the plants, but learn about the habitat that you're in, the greater ecosystem, and the animals that live there as well. Because certain animals are going to be attracted to certain plants. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope you had fun.